welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, so this is day number, what day it is? Oh my god, I can't believe I don't remember the day. I'll put it up on the screen. Sorry. Oh my god, I think this is day number 6. Okay, so this is a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial. Also my birthday saga. All right, it's still my birthday. For the entire month is my birthday. Okay, so I want to do this because I'm in a rush to go out. I'm hurrying up to do my intro because I gotta go, I gotta go now. So this is a very simple, easy birthday look slash beginners friendly, and it was pretty easy. I think I finished in like 20 minutes or less. I think it was less than that, and it was very easy. And also this here, okay, I use the new bold hold. If you want me to show you how I put this one with the bold hold, let me know in the comment section. I'll do it. But girl, look, okay. Anyways, this is about the makeup, not the hair. So yeah. Alright, so this is a very friendly, beginners friendly makeup tutorial slash birthday saga, and I did this pretty easy, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, turn on that bell, and yeah, I don't want to do too much chit chat, but I will definitely see you again in my next video. Also today is my mother's birthday. Today is November the 8th. Today is my mother's birthday. Happy birthday to you, mom. I love you so much. And yeah, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a very quick and easy makeup look today because I have to go somewhere in half an hour. And right now, yeah, I'm in a rush. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Fenty. This is the matte soft matte pro filter. And I'm going to go ahead, put a little bit onto my hand and rub it into my face. I already did my eyebrow off camera, and you guys know I put my concealer all the way down to my eyelid, and I did moisturize earlier because my skin was very dry. So now I'm gonna go into the Fenty, and I'm in 420, the shade 420. And I'm going to go ahead and shake it up, and I'm going to put, what is going on? Is it finished? Oh my god. No way. This is not finished. What the hell? You joking? Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. I hardly use this. This is finished. Oh my god, this is finished. You joking me? Oh my god, I can't right now. I'm gonna go into the Fit Me from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 355 Coconut. Put a little bit onto my hand. I can't believe my Fenty is finished. Can't be, like, it cannot be finished. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and put it onto my face. So I just glued down my wig with my bold hold. I got this yesterday in the mail, and I couldn't wait to try it. This is the new one, and I also got the remover. So if you want to see how I put my my lace front on with this new bold hold, let me know in the comment section, and I'll show you how I put it on. So this is the reason why I have it up like that, because I don't want it to get messed up. So this is very natural looking. I cannot believe my Fenty is finished. Oh my god, and it feels so heavy. It feels so heavy. Maybe it's because of the glass or something, but I'm upset right now. Alright, so next I'm gonna go into my NARS, and I'm in the shade, I picked up the shade amandae, the one that I cannot pronounce, and I'm gonna put it right underneath. And as you can see, I'm going pretty fast because I have somewhere to go, and you guys realize that I haven't did my eyes yet. Yeah, crazy, right? I always do my eyes first. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that. And I'm only gonna put this. I'm not gonna highlight. And then I'm gonna take that same beauty blender and blend it out.
Which card? You have a Macy's card. What does that mean? What does a Macy's card mean?
I only could use at Macy's. I have a Macy's card. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into the Patrick Starrr powder with MAC. Can't stop using this powder. I love it so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and set. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my NYX foundation and the shade, which is Expresso. This is what I use to contour. You guys know that already. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into the Patrick Starrr, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut to make that contour a little bit sharper. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take my MAC in NW45, and I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm using the NYX brush. This is what I always use to brush off my face anytime I use my finishing powder. I always use this. This is so nice. I'm not gonna contour my nose today, even though I don't need it, because my nose is small, okay? I have a small nose. I'm loving my nose. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, and I'm using my glamglow. Love this so much. And then I'm gonna use my Real Technique. I love this so much. It's so big. I love it. And just pat that spray into my skin. As I said, guys, this is going to be a very quick makeup tutorial because I got to go out in half an hour. Oh my god. Alright, so very quick. I would call this like a, you know, this is for like the, I would call this makeup a very beginners friendly makeup. Like, even though this is my birthday saga, but this is going to be a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial that you could do if you're new to the makeup game, that you are like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. Yeah, this makeup is for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Patrick Starrr Glam AF, and I'm going to go ahead and use a brush here, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't know the name. Tap it off a little bit and blend it in. Also, I did use this color, same colors yesterday, so I'm only going to use this one shade in here for the Patrick Starrr, and then I'm going to go into another palette. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the LA Girl, oh god, I'm dropping everything. I'm going to go into the LA Girl Nude palette here, and I'm going to go into another brush. Yikes, where is it? I have so many brushes and I don't know which one to choose. Oh my god, okay, got it. Alright, so I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm going to go into the shade at the end and put it into the crease right here and blend it out. I love this palette. This is a nice palette. This is really nice and very inexpensive. I don't know if it's still available into the beauty supply store. I think I got it from Sally's, but I got it, when did I get it? Like, I think it's almost a year now, but it's really nice. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna take that shade and just blend it into the crease. Look at that. You see how pigmented this is? And I got it from the beauty supply store. Like, you don't have to go all out to get crazy palette that other YouTubers have. I mean, if you have the money, go ahead and do it. I'm taking this shade just to, you know, blend out the harsh line. You could go ahead and do it. Like me, I don't get no PR. Everything that I use, every single thing that I use on my face, I got it with my own money over the period of time. So if you're starting out, please don't go crazy and buy $100 foundation, all of that stuff, and then your ass is broke. Don't do it. Like, please don't do it. You know, it's not worth it. If it's your passion and you like to do makeup, go ahead and buy makeup a little over the period of time, and you'll be good. Like, I have so many makeup right now. If you guys want me to show you my makeup collection, which is like, but I don't care. But if you want me to show you my makeup collection, let me know in the comment section. I'll show you everything that is in front of me and in my drawer over there. I bought it. Okay. And now I'm gonna go into this shade. This is like a champagne. No, this is gold. This is gold. And I'm gonna put it onto my lid. Look at that. Look how pigmented this is. This is so pigmented. I don't know what I'm doing right now because I really didn't think about my makeup today because I'm in a rush. I was getting my hair done earlier, and that's the reason why I took so long to do a video, because I was getting my hair done because I had to go out. So right now I'm rushing. I'm not taking my time at all. I'm not thinking about what I'm doing. I'm just doing my makeup and hopefully praying to God that it turns out good. Oh gosh, yeah. I'm just blending out the harsh lines. And also I am not doing any, yes, I'm gonna do lashes, but I'm not gonna do any wing, any liner, nothing like that. As I said, this is a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial. Okay, very. I'm just blending it out, making sure that I blend well. Okay, this looks good. All right, so next I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang mascara. You guys know the deal with this. By the way, today is my mother's birthday. Today is the 8th of November. Oh my God. Happy birthday to my mother. Oh, my mother's birthday is today. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. So as you guys know how special November is to me, I'm doing my lashes. I'm putting on this. So it's crazy. My mother's birthday is today. Next will be my brother's birthday, which is the 18th, then my sister, which is the 24th, and me, the 27th. And I am so excited. I still don't know what I'm doing for my birthday, and I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't care, to be honest, if I go out or not. I don't know. This year don't feel like I want to celebrate. I don't know. Maybe because I'm so stressed out. I don't know. If I go out and have like a little drink or something and come back home, I'll be fine. I'm not a fussy person. That's one thing with me. I'm not fussy at all. So if I do go out, I go out. If I don't, oh well. Every day is my birthday. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a little brush while the lashes are drying, and I'm gonna take this one right here and bring it down. So next I'm gonna take, I don't have a blush right now in front of me. Yes, I do. I'm gonna take my Anastasia blush and I'm gonna do a little blush right here. Simple, nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. If you're in a rush and your lash is not dry, go ahead and go like this. Kind of like let your breath go on the lash. It will quickly dry, but don't do it on someone else. If you're doing it on yourself, go ahead and do that. But if you're doing it on someone else, yeah, don't do that. Okay, don't. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the Fenty. I've been using this a lot, and I love it so much. It's the same thing, Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. And I'm gonna take both of them. And I'm not gonna go out with my glow today, no. But this is really nice. Look at that. It's just glowy from within. And then just to take away the harsh lines, if you do have any, go ahead and just brush it out a little bit like that. And then I'm gonna go back into my Glam Glow. Pretty. Okay, so for the lips, very simple, very easy. I don't know what to choose yet. But I'm gonna go into, be honest, you know what, let me go get some lips. It's over here. Okay, let me go get some lips. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm coming. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the Marc Jacob. I have so many Marc Jacob, but the names are so fine, I don't know. And I'm gonna take the Patrickstarrr. This one is Mahogany right here, and I'm gonna line our lips. And then I'm gonna take this. This is a very glossy lips gloss from Marc Jacob. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, put some clothes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow again for more look of me. And yeah, this is very simple, very easy. I love it so much, and I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want me to show you how I put this wig on with the both holds. I will show you. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do next, any makeup tutorial that you like, or any palette that you want me to buy and do a review on it. Let me know. I will definitely do it. And yeah, I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.